is Norma with All Things Handmade. This channel, we give you not only how to make DIYs, but we also do the breakdown so that you learn how much you invest, how much your profit is. Whether you're a small business or you're only doing it for your family, these videos will help you know how much to sell it, where to buy the product at wholesale. Everything that I do and I show you, I put links on the description box for you. But for now, let's stop talking. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. I hope you're doing well and ready for another DIY. Today I'm going to share with you how I make these here. I'm selling these for right now for Valentine's Day, but I'm also going to be making a few for Mother's Days. So I'm going to show you how I did this. And if you look inside, down there I put a heart and I put some hearts all around it. I don't know if you can see them. Let me get it closer. Right there. See the hearts right there? So we're going to be doing that. And for this video, you're going to need two. We want to make the set. You're going to need 2 wine glasses. You're going to need whatever color you're going to use. I'm going to do another red. And then whatever decoration you're going to put, you like to put on top. I did this because I also make a wine bottle that I'm going to be doing after this video. So you're going to be needing that. I put 2 coats of the glue and the glitter, and then one just to seal everything. So you're going to be needing 3 brushes because every coat requires about an hour and a half of drying so that you don't pick up the glitter again. So I have a few brushes that I have ready here. I got these at the Dollar Tree and I like them because I can pour my Mod Podge. I can pour it and instead of putting it straight to the bottle, where sometimes it picks up some of the glitter and you have to clean it up. So these are nice for that. I think they come about for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And other things that I'm using for this tutorial, I'm going to be putting links of it in the description box. You're also going to need some tape, any kind of tape. I really like this one. This is painter's tape, and you're going to need 1 white page so that you can let the glitter fall on here and then put it back in the container. I like to have a marker in the color of the mug that I want to glitter, because that way you don't have to worry about whether you can see it or not, or whether you can erase it or not. And then I use 7 hearts for this one, and because this is going to be part of a set, I'm going to try to place them right around the same place, and you can put more or less. It's really up to you. So let's go ahead and give it a go. So here's my glass. So what I did is I decided what was going to be the height of the glitter, and this is what I came up with. I was happy with the result of being that size. So all I basically did is I put some books in a box right where I want it, and then all you're going to do is you're going to hold your marker against the glass, and you're just going to go around. That is going to help you get a straight line. So here it is. It's already, let me bring it closer to you. So that's my line. So then now we can put the marker on the side and we can move these books aside. So this is what we're going to be using. This is the decoration that I'm going to be using, but you can use whatever you want. And so we're going to go ahead and just start working with our project. The number one thing is that we're going to decide how many hearts do we want and how are we going to place it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll see you back. Here's the first one, and go ahead and place them where you want to place them, and I'll see you back. Okay, I'm already done. So here's my glass with all my hearts, one in the bottom and all these hearts. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on putting our glitter powder. And what I'm using right now is that I run out the other one, but I really like what this one did to my glass. I'm using the Mod Podge, and it's a dishwasher safe glass. And I use, okay, so now that I have my hearts, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tape around it. So I'm gonna go just above there and make sure that it's even. And now that we already have our tape done, we're gonna go ahead and start putting the Mod Podge all around it. There it is. I really like how this came out. I'm very pleased with it. And I'm already promoting them on Facebook and on Instagram, and I already put them in the local page, here in Ventura. I live in Ventura, California. Go ahead and write on the comments, where are you from? Where are you watching this video from? And how is the weather where you are? Right here in California, in the morning it's in the 30s, 40s, and around like right now, I can easily take my sweater off, and then once it gets to about 5 or 6 p.m., it's cold again. So it's a weird. It's always a unusual weather here in California. So I'm gonna need to fold this because I already dropped some glue. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put it this way, and I'm gonna open my thing. And I like to open it, otherwise I don't get enough glitter out. So I'm doing that. So we're gonna go ahead and put the glitter all around it. So here it is, my first coat. Here we go. We're gonna shake it a little bit. We're gonna place it face down, and we're gonna go ahead and wait. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did the first time. We're gonna go over with the glue, maybe make it a thicker layer this time. And we're gonna go ahead and cover it again. It has been a little bit of 1 hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the last layer that's gonna seal everything. And like I said, we need to get different brushes every single time, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and, I made a boo-boo with my glitter, so now I put some glitter together with my glue, and that's another story. Something I did wrong. Anyways, and I don't want to get into it. The last one. So I'm gonna wait. I think for this one, I'm gonna wait about 3 hours before I can remove the tape and finish it. Another idea that I had, and that I'm probably gonna try to do with this, is you can put the names of the couple, okay? And you can put maybe the year when they met. You know, you can customize it for them, and I bet you they're gonna really love it. So for now, I'm gonna wait for 3 hours, and then I'll see you back to finish it up. Okay, here we are. So it's already dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off slowly. You need to do it slowly. You're gonna see why I like to do the pieces like a little small at a time. I just for some funny reason it just works for me. So we go slowly, so we don't pull out more tape than we should. Well, I mean more paint than we should. Here it is. There you go. So here's the glass. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go just along the side. I'm going to go ahead and put this. So you just go like right above it, place it right there, and you're just going to go all around placing it. So there it is. Okay, there it is. Right there. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it looks. So there we are. We have my 2 glasses right there. And I have my wine bottle. So here's my set. There you have it. The next video after this one, I'm going to be showing how to do this. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.